Have you ever imagined waking up one morning, sipping on a simple drink, and noticing that the world looks brighter, sharper, and clearer than it has in years? It might sound too good to be true, but what if I told you there's a morning drink backed by surprising science that could actually help restore and protect your eyesight? Most people think vision loss is just a normal part of aging, something inevitable once you pass a certain age. But research is revealing that certain nutrients and combinations in our diet can make a remarkable difference, not just slowing down vision decline, but in some cases improving clarity and focus. And here's the twist, it's not some expensive supplement. And it's not a risky surgery, it's something natural. And the best part, you might already have the ingredients in your kitchen right now. Doctors rarely talk about this because it's simple, affordable, and doesn't require a prescription. But studies and real-life stories show that the right morning drink can boost blood flow to the eyes, protect delicate retinal cells, and even help your eyes recover from years of strain. For seniors especially, this could mean more independence, more confidence, and more years enjoying the little details like the smile of a loved one or the beauty of a sunset. So before you skip over this as just another health claim, I want you to listen closely. This could be the missing piece in your eye health routine, and I'd love for you to be part of the conversation. Comment below with your age, your location, and whether you've noticed changes in your vision recently. Have you tried any natural remedies for your eyes before? Share your story. And while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple, science-backed health tips that can make a real difference. Now, without any further ado, let's talk about the first, carrot juice. It may sound harmless, but you'll be shocked by what it can really do to your health. Carrot juice isn't just a tasty breakfast drink. It's a powerful natural source of eye-protecting nutrients that can help sharpen your vision and guard against age-related decline. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining the health of your retina, especially the light-sensitive cells called rods that help you see in dim light. Without enough vitamin A, your eyes can't convert light into signals for the brain properly, which can lead to night blindness and other vision problems. Carrot juice also contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which have been shown to filter harmful blue light and protect against macular degeneration. But here's where it gets fascinating. A 2021 study in Nutrients found that people with higher blood levels of carotenoids, the plant pigments found in carrots, had a 40% lower risk of advanced age-related macular degeneration. That means your morning glass of carrot juice could be doing far more than you realize for your long-term eye health. Let me share the story of Margaret, 72, from Oregon. For years, she struggled with trouble driving at night because of poor vision and glare from headlights. Her doctor told her she was on the path toward the early macular degeneration. Determined to take control, Margaret began drinking a small glass of fresh carrot juice every morning, along with other nutrient-rich foods. Within 6 months, she reported not only better clarity during the day, but a significant improvement in her ability to see in low light. Her next eye checkup showed that her condition had stabilized, something her optometrist described as remarkable. Now, before you run to the store and buy gallons of carrot juice, here's the smart approach. Portion control matters. One small glass, about 4 to 6 ounces a few times a week, is enough. Too much beta-carotene can lead to carotenemia, a harmless but surprising condition where your skin turns orange. Pair carrot juice with a little healthy fat like avocado or nuts to boost absorption of the fat-soluble carotenoids. Use fresh cold-pressed juice if possible. Store-bought varieties can be high in sugar and lose nutrients over time. Your eyes are precious. Nourish them daily and they'll serve you for years to come. But there's another spinach smoothie that might surprise you even more. A spinach smoothie isn't just a trendy green drink. It's a vision-boosting powerhouse, packed with nutrients your eyes crave. Spinach is rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids that are found in high concentrations in the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp, detailed vision. These compounds act like natural sunglasses, filtering out harmful blue light and protecting your eye tissues from oxidative stress. Without enough of them, your risk of developing cataracts or macular degeneration increases significantly as you age. What's even more fascinating is how effective these nutrients can be. A study in JAMA found that people with higher dietary intake of lutein and zeaxanthin had a 43% lower risk of advanced macular degeneration compared to those who consumed the least. And spinach doesn't stop there. It's also a great source of vitamin K, folate, and nitrates, which support healthy blood circulation to your eyes, ensuring they get the oxygen and nutrients they need. Take the story of Raymond, 68, from Florida. After his annual eye exam showed early signs of cataracts, he decided to revamp his morning routine. He started blending a simple spinach smoothie every day. Just a handful of fresh spinach, half a banana, almond milk, and a teaspoon of flaxseed. Within a year, not only did his cataract progression slow, but he also noticed sharper vision when reading fine print. His ophthalmologist was amazed at how well his eyes were holding up compared to typical cases at his age. If you want to make spinach smoothies work for you, here are a few tips. Always pair spinach with a source of healthy fat, like avocado, chia seeds, or nut butter. This helps your body absorb lutein and zeaxanthin more efficiently. Use fresh or lightly frozen spinach. Boiling it can cause some nutrient loss. Keep your smoothies balanced with fruit and protein to avoid a blood sugar spike. Aim for 3 to 4 servings per week. Consistency is key to long-term benefits. Your eyes are like a camera. The clearer the lens and the healthier the sensor, the sharper your life's picture will be. But there's another orange juice that might surprise you even more. Orange juice may seem like an innocent breakfast staple, but it's far more powerful for our health than most people realize if you drink it the right way. Packed with vitamin C, orange juice helps protect the delicate blood vessels in your retina and strengthens the collagen in your cornea and sclera. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant, reducing oxidative damage that can lead to cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. It also works in synergy with vitamin E and carotenoids to keep your eye tissues youthful and resilient. Here's the surprising part. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consumed fresh orange juice daily had up to a 33% lower risk of developing late-stage macular degeneration compared to those who drank it less than once a week. The key here is fresh. Store-bought, heavily processed orange juice often contains added sugar, preservatives, and fewer antioxidants due to pasteurization heat damage. Consider Linda, 72, from Arizona. She loved her morning glass of orange juice, but after her blood sugar levels started creeping up, her doctor warned her about the hidden sugar content in packaged juice. Determined not to give it up, she switched to freshly squeezed oranges. No added sugar, no concentrates. Within months, not only did her fasting glucose improve, but her optometrist noted healthier retinal vessels during her checkup. Linda swears her fresh OJ habit has kept her vision sharper and her energy higher. If you want to enjoy orange juice for eye health without the downsides, choose fresh squeezed over-bottled. This preserves vitamin C and bioflavonoids. Keep portions moderate, about 4 to 6 ounces per serving to avoid blood sugar spikes. Pair it with a breakfast rich in protein or healthy fat to slow sugar absorption. Whenever possible, consume it alongside foods high in vitamin E, like almonds, to amplify its protective effects. Orange juice can be more than a refreshing drink. It can be a daily ritual for preserving your vision as long as you make mindful choices. But there's another beetroot juice that might surprise you even more. Beetroot juice isn't just a trendy health drink. It's a natural powerhouse that can dramatically improve blood flow to your eyes and protect your vision as you age. Beetroot is rich in nitrates, compounds that your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. This improved circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reach your retina and optic nerve, which are essential for maintaining sharp eyesight and preventing degenerative eye conditions. It's also loaded with betalains, powerful antioxidants that fight inflammation and oxidative stress, two major contributors to vision loss. A fascinating study published in JAMA Ophthalmology found that higher dietary nitrate intake was linked to a 20 to 35% lower risk of developing early-stage age-related macular degeneration. Another research paper in Nutrition Research highlighted how beetroot juice may help lower intraocular pressure, a key factor in glaucoma prevention. The vivid red pigment isn't just beautiful, it's a sign of those potent, vision-protecting compounds at work. Take Samuel, 68, from Oregon, for example. He had been diagnosed with early signs of AMD and was told to focus on nutrient-rich foods for eye health. At first, he was skeptical about drinking beet juice. "It tastes like dirt," he joked, but after blending it with apple and ginger, he made it a daily habit. Over a year later, his ophthalmologist reported that his condition had not progressed and his blood pressure had improved significantly. Samuel credits his ruby drink for not just supporting his eyes, but giving him more energy during his morning walks. If you want to harness the benefits of beetroot juice for your eyes and overall health, opt for fresh pressed juice over bottled versions, which often lose potency over time. Start small, about 3 to 4 ounces a day, especially if you're new to beet juice, to allow your body to adjust. Combine with other fruits or vegetables to balance the earthy flavor. People with kidney stones or certain conditions should consult a doctor first, as beetroot is high in oxalates. Beetroot juice is more than a colorful beverage. It's a natural ally for your vision, circulation, and vitality. But there's another blueberry smoothie that might surprise you even more. A daily blueberry smoothie could be one of the most delicious ways to protect your eyesight and keep your brain sharp. Well into your later years, blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, the deep blue pigments that act as powerful antioxidants. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress in the eyes, a leading cause of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. They also support the health of tiny blood vessels in the retina, ensuring optimal oxygen delivery to keep vision clear. In addition, blueberries are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and fiber, all of which contribute to overall wellness and healthy circulation. A study published in Nutrients revealed that regular blueberry consumption can improve night vision and reduce eye fatigue, especially in older adults who spend more time reading or using screens. Another piece of research from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry showed that blueberry antioxidants cross the blood-retina barrier, directly supporting eye tissue health. And here's a bonus. The same compounds that nourish your eyes also enhance memory, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. Consider Margaret, 72, from Vermont. She'd noticed her vision becoming a bit blurry during evening drives, and she often forgot where she placed her reading glasses. Her granddaughter suggested adding a morning blueberry smoothie to her breakfast routine. Just frozen blueberries, a banana, almond milk, and a sprinkle of flaxseed. 6 months later, Margaret reported that not only did her night vision improve, but she also felt mentally sharper and had more energy. Her eye checkup showed healthier retinal blood vessels, and her doctor encouraged her to keep up the habit. If you want to enjoy the benefits of a blueberry smoothie for your eyes and overall health, choose frozen or fresh blueberries. Frozen ones often have equal or higher antioxidant levels since they're picked and frozen at peak ripeness. Blend them with spinach or kale for extra lutein and zeaxanthin nutrients that further protect eye health. Skip adding refined sugar. The natural sweetness of fruit is enough. Aim for a handful, about half a cup daily, to get consistent antioxidant support. A blueberry smoothie isn't just a tasty breakfast, it's a strategic step toward preserving your vision and brain health for years to come. But there's another green tea that might surprise you even more. A daily cup of green tea could be one of the simplest and most powerful steps you take to protect your eyes, your heart, and even your brain. Green tea is rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that is particularly effective at reducing oxidative stress in delicate tissues, including those in your eyes. These compounds can protect against cataracts, glaucoma, and age-related macular degeneration by preventing damage from free radicals. But green tea's benefits go beyond vision. It also supports healthy blood pressure, improves cholesterol levels, and may even enhance memory and focus. According to research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, catechins from green tea are actually absorbed into the tissues of the eye within just a few hours of drinking it, offering direct protection against oxidative damage. Another study in molecular vision found that people who regularly drank green tea had significantly lower rates of certain eye diseases compared to non-drinkers. And if that's not enough, green tea's caffeine content, though modest, can gently boost alertness without the jitters associated with coffee. Take David, 68, from Oregon. He'd been struggling with occasional eye dryness and found it harder to focus on reading. A friend suggested he replace his afternoon coffee with a warm cup of green tea. Within a month, David noticed that his eyes felt less strained, and his energy levels stayed steady through the day. At his next checkup, his optometrist told him his eye health was better than expected for his age. Encouraged, David made it a lifelong habit and swears it's helped him stay sharper both mentally and visually. If you want to harness the power of green tea for your health, aim for 2 to 3 cups daily for maximum antioxidant benefits. Choose high-quality loose-leaf green tea or organic tea bags to minimize pesticide residue. Avoid adding large amounts of sugar. A slice of lemon can enhance both flavor and antioxidant absorption. If you're sensitive to caffeine, Opt for decaffeinated green tea. You'll still get many of the same health benefits. A simple, soothing cup of green tea could be your daily insurance policy for healthier eyes, a clearer mind, and a stronger heart. And there you have it. Sometimes the most powerful changes for our health aren't about complicated treatments or expensive supplements, but about simple, mindful choices we make every single day. Whether it was carrot juice, green tea, or something as unexpected as beetroot, today's journey reminded us that the things we consume can either quietly protect us or slowly harm us. The key takeaway? Don't just follow trends or rumors when it comes to your health. Ask questions. Look for credible science. Listen to your body. What works for one person might not work for another. And true health comes from understanding your own needs, not blindly copying someone else's habits. Remember, prevention is more powerful than any cure. Choosing nutrient-rich foods, staying hydrated, and being mindful of hidden risks are small actions that can save you from big problems later. Your body is talking to you every day through your energy levels, your sleep, your digestion, even your vision. All you have to do is listen. I'd love to hear from you. Have you or someone you love ever experienced something surprising, either good or bad, from this simple morning drink that can restore eyesight? Share your story in the comments. You never know who your experience might inspire or help. If you found value in today's video, please give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next time we uncover the truth about everyday health habits. Thank you for spending this time with me today. Your commitment to learning, staying curious, and caring for your health is what inspires me to keep creating these videos. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and most importantly, stay hopeful.